Hey everybody, I am super excited to share this card with you today. So I actually wanted to film a card video for my Instagram, and after I finished the card and I was looking at the video, there was just way too much editing to be done on my phone. So I decided to transfer it to my computer, and then it's just this whole thing to get it transferred back to my phone, and I just didn't want to deal with all of that. So it's up on my YouTube channel. All right, so I have been creating a lot of backgrounds using my Distress Oxide inks and my gel plate. And I decided to make a really quick card using one of the backgrounds. I had intended to use two of the backgrounds, but I accidentally messed one up using my VersaMark ink on it. So that's why I used my brayer to put the VersaMark ink onto the stamp so that I didn't mess up I didn't transfer any of the ink that is on my VersaMark ink pad onto my background here because my VersaMark ink pad is super dirty. I definitely need to get a new one. So I stamped the Love You stamp from Waffle Flower. It's called Oversized Love, and I wanted to use some embossing powder, and this is called, what is it called? Shimmering Pearl from Nuvo. It's super pretty. It's clear with some glitter in it, and I absolutely love it. So I just wanted a little bit of shine and shimmer to the sentiment. So using the coordinating die with this stamp set called Oversized Love, I can't remember if I said that already, from Waffle Flower, I cut out some foam, some fun foam using the die so that I can pop up the sentiment on my card. I am using some Gina Connect glue to adhere those two together. It's really easy to pop up a sentiment or an image that you want just to have a little bit more dimension on your card using some fun foam rather than stacking multiple pieces of cardstock together. It's just so much easier and it takes way less time, in my opinion. So here I am kind of playing around with what I wanted to do next. I kind of didn't have an idea. I knew I wanted to use the background and I knew I wanted to use this, the stamp set, but after that I had no idea. I wanted to keep this in the video because I wanted to let you guys know and show you guys that a lot of times, at least in my videos, I always play around with placement and try and figure out where I want things, what I want to use, and a lot of times I cut that stuff out. But I wanted to show you guys that it does not come easy as it looks in the videos. A lot of footage is cut out in YouTube videos. All right, so I used some Spun Sugar Distress Oxide ink to ink the center, and I kind of blended it out towards the edges. And this is a cover die, which I am obsessed with. This is from the Stamp Market. I just got it. This is my first time using it. And I trimmed it down a little bit so that I have a little white border on my card panel. This cover die is amazing. It's so pretty. It's called Motor Motif or Motor Motif. I will have the die and all of the other supplies listed down below so you guys can check it out if you want to pick any of them up. I'm going to use that Connect glue again to adhere the Love You to my card panel. And then I am going to stamp out the sentiment, and I am using Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide ink to stamp out my sentiment. And I believe I put I will love you always and forever, I believe it's what it says. And that is going to be it for my card. I hope you guys enjoyed this really short video. And again, remember I did film this on my phone, so if there is any difference in quality, that is why. All right, here's another look at my card. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. All of my other social media accounts will be listed down below, and I would love to connect with you guys over there as well. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.